In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payment receipts from a client to Freshbooks. Making sure you correctly record client payments in Freshbooks is a crucial part of keeping your business's financial records accurate and up to date. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure nothing gets overlooked. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Invoices section in Freshbooks. You can easily find this option on the left side navigation menu. This is your home base for handling all things invoicing, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this area if you aren't already. Once you're in the Invoices section, the next step is to locate the specific invoice related to the payment you've received from your client. Click on that invoice. It'll take you to a detailed view where you can access more options and make necessary adjustments or additions. Now that you have the invoice open, look for the More Actions button. This should be located somewhere on the page, typically near the top right section. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Add a Payment. This option allows you to specify the details of the funds you've received, keeping everything organized and easy to track. Here's where you get into the details. Enter the payment information as accurately as possible. This should include the payment amount, the date on which it was received, and the payment method. Freshbooks offers options like cash, check, or bank transfer. If your client has previously made an overpayment, Freshbooks will automatically apply this credit to the new payment, which is a nifty feature that can save you some hassle in accounting. After you've filled in the payment details, take a moment to add any relevant notes in the Notes section. This area is your opportunity to include any specifics that might be important for future reference. Whether it's a confirmation number, a quick note about the timing, or any other useful detail, adding notes can be valuable down the line if you need to look back at this transaction. Finally, to make sure all your efforts aren't in vain, don't forget to click Add Payment. This action finalizes the payment process and records it against the corresponding invoice. Once you do that, you'll notice that the invoice status will update to reflect this new payment. This provides a clear, real-time financial snapshot of your business, which can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining clarity in your accounts. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a payment receipt from a client to Freshbooks. Regularly updating your invoice records like this ensures you have a solid grip on your financial health, helping your business run more smoothly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.